Hello guys, this is Richard from Debaru, and in this video I'm going to be doing a network tutorial of the Biggico affiliate network. Alright guys, so we are on the Biggico affiliate network website. As you can see, top CPA affiliate network, more than 30 profitable direct offers, up to $550 CPA and up to 45% rev share. Our managers are working non-stop to find the most valuable, most favorable terms among the best converting projects. We hold out dozens of offers in various verticals: trading, gambling, crypto, and other programs. So we are around the crypto space. All right. Crypto. I don't run any crypto, anything like that, but so I know a lot of crypto affiliates and they are raking in the moolah. I cannot lie. So they got 3,500 plus affiliates, 21 active offers, 231 ad campaigns. So they're on Bitcoin, Offervault, Afbank, Propeller Ads, ClickChain. Monetize your traffic, earn more on visitors you already have. Shave proof. Biggico runs on the blockchain-based technology tracking all transactions, which protects our affiliates from shave on Advertisers side. Okay, wow. So they use blockchain technology within the sort of revenue side and the finance side for the network. That's pretty cool. Payout from 2 days. Payout frequency is important for our affiliates. That is why we pay commission on each offer as promptly as possible. Nice. You got a personal manager, so you have an affiliate manager. Minimal limitations. Most of our offers have no restricted types of traffic or geos. We accept all traffic, which is awesome. Real-time stats. Offers upon request. Okay. Let's have a look at some of their top offers for this week. So we've got a crypto universe offer, 12% revenue share. 80% revenue share, up to $450 CPA, 26% revenue share. So in these verticals, you can make a lot of money per sell, right? Hence why you're seeing these figures. So if you just do 10, as you can see, like 10 of these, if you make 10, if you can convert 10, sorry, then you're looking at what, around 4,500 in revenue every single day on a daily, and it's as simple as that, right? Want to promote our offers? Apply here, and our managers will help you with placement. So let's apply. Let's see what the application process looks like. Cool. Place an offer. You need traffic and are ready to offer to pay for it. Okay. Is this a bruh? Okay, so I actually read that wrong. I thought that was an affiliate sign up, but it's actually not. That's if you want to actually promote, if you're the advertiser, I want to promote one of your offers. My bad. So let's actually see the affiliate registration. So that was the advertiser registration. Let's see what the affiliate registration looks like. So if you're an affiliate, you can join as affiliate. You have traffic, right? Join our affiliate network and start making money off it. You know, you put your name, surname, email, your password for the account. You put your FB Messenger, WhatsApp, WeChat, Skype, Viber, Telegram. Nice. Your website, your traffic sources. So if you're running Facebook, you're running Google search, Google, Google display, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever traffic source you run. If it's native, put that in here. A lot of it's going to be native with these sort of offers, but whatever your traffic source that you run, enter that there and try and put as much information as possible, because that will help with your application. Click sign up, and then you'll probably be contacted by an affiliate manager who will ask you a bit more questions about some of the details of the campaigns that you run, just to gain an understanding of your experience and what you can offer to the network, which is fair enough. Let's take a look inside of Biggico. What does it look like? So you have the standard dashboard. You can see like your payout, transactions, conversions, clicks. You can see your conversion rate, payout. Awesome. So fairly standard. So when you're logged in and you're generating revenue, I'm sure you're going to see like a few lines: a line for your payout, a line for your transaction, line for your conversions, another line for your clicks. But let's take a look at some of the offers. Let's take a look at some of the offers inside this network. What do we have here? So we have Crypto Universe. Can we take a look at that? I think so. Let's take a look. So we're viewing the offer. Okay, so it's got its own site. So this is all in that crypto space. You know, people that are looking to make money through crypto, you know, as an investment, you know, that sort of thing. You can, you know, promote these offers to that traffic, and then once you convert that traffic, you can make a decent amount of cash. So actually, let's take a look at this site. So Crypto Universe, cloud mining, new contracts with net crypto income, blah blah blah. If you like crypto and you do crypto, you'll know all about what this means. I'm not a crypto guy, so a lot of it is kind of gibberish to me. Although I was there for a little period, you know, when crypto had that spike, everyone was investing in ICOs. I was part of that frenzy. I was part of the sheep, guys. I'm joking. I actually made some money because I didn't stay there for that long. So I was in and out, made some cash, and moved on. So, okay, so, oh wow. So you get a 12% rev share with this particular offer, and the offer goes up to as high as $3,140, right? Oh wow, or even higher than that. Wait, what the hell? $31,400, I believe. That's how high it can go up for. Shit. And you're making around 12% from that traffic. So one conversion, you can get around $3,200 back. Whoa. Yeah, so crypto, as you can see, some of the crypto guys, they are making big bank with these offers. We've got IQ mining, 1K daily profit. This is like a trading offer. So like maybe Forex or something. Let's have a look. Let's open that up. But yeah, if you're doing Forex, crypto, all those sort of like investment vehicle type of offers, like finance related, money making with you know, high IQ money making sort of offers, this network seems like it has a lot available, a lot of good ones as well. But yeah, let's take a look at this actual website for 1K daily profit. Let's have a look. Are we gonna get a video? No.
You're here. I'm glad you finally made it. Hi, I'm John Becker. You're here.
Yeah, they're the standard videos where they're talking about how he made, you know, 100K from this one investment, and he made that inside like 2 days, and he had no experience. I think that's what he's going to be saying, pretty much. And yeah, anyway, you get paid out when people convert on that particular offer. But yeah, I think we got a good idea of the sort of offers that you can run with this network. They have like smart links, you got a reporting system where you can check your traffic, your you know, daily metrics, the geos, the clicks, the conversions. They have referrals as well, where we would get, as affiliates, we would get money when people sign up for the network and start making money with the network. So if you have a community of affiliates, you can make money through referrals. They have some ad rotator system, so you can actually rotate the ads. So I'm guessing the ads will come through as a link, and you can actually rotate the ads on different networks that you're buying traffic from. But yeah, all good, all good. There's one more thing that I do want to have a look at, if we can. I want to check out their FAQs real quick, and I want to see. I'm good, Artem. Thank you though. Thank you for offering, but I'm good. I'm real good. But let's have a look. Do they have an FAQ? Maybe they don't. That's quite sad. That's quite sad. All right, so maybe we're not going to be able to check out, you know, the payouts and the thresholds, but I'm sure if you press this button right here, you know, chat to one of their agents, as you saw Artem pop up in a second ago, you can probably ask them straight away and they'd give you an answer in like a couple of minutes, which is awesome. So yeah, this is the tutorial for Biggico. If you use this network or if you run this sort of traffic, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with the button below, and make sure you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vid.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.